RT manufacture is a fast response, high-quality parts manufacturing service provider. We have full process integration, CNC machining, sheet metal manufacturing, polymer injection molding, and rapid prototyping casting. Besides, we use a distributed workshop cluster that can operate more than 300 traditional and intelligent machines in collaboration. Our parts manufacturing serves more than 30 industries around the world, from medical devices to aerospace, providing a 72-hour international order response. So far, we have passed the 3 major certification systems of ISO 9001, ISO 16949, and ISO 13485, with the highest accuracy, guaranteed at 0.001 mm, achieving global precision manufacturing. RT manufacture born for your parts manufacturing.